Morning, guys. It's a rainy day here. Rainy Friday. It should be alright by Sunday for Mother's Day. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there. And for the fathers that are single fathers that take care of the children. For you guys as well, because you guys do it right as well. So, but yes, it's raining, and yeah, it makes me kind of sleepy though, to be honest. All this rain, relaxing, very relaxing. At least tonight's car's getting washed. But so is the lawnmower that's there sitting right there. Anyway, happy Friday, guys. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And yeah, I will have a vlog, actually full vlog up Sunday in one of my sister's house for Crawford's Voice. So it'll be a lot to film. I think you guys will enjoy it. So I'll let you guys know that. I love you guys. Have a good day. And I'll see you on the flip side. Boy.